My dear students, kindly refer Google Classroom for this question. And while calculating capital profit, we are taking surplus account and general reserve. Surplus is rupees 20,000, which is pre-acquisition profit of the year 2013-2014, which is already given in the question. And general reserve 80,000 rupees belongs to balance sheet, and the total is 1 lakh rupees. We are proportionately dividing it into subsidiary and holding company. While calculating revenue profit, the surplus account is rupees 1 lakh rupees. In balance sheet, surplus account is 1 lakh 20,000 rupees, and 20,000 belongs to pre-acquisition profit. So 1 lakh rupees will be the surplus account of revenue profit, and you should add the proposed dividend percentage amount. It is 40,000 rupees because equity share capital is 4 lakh and the dividend percentage is 10%, which is given in the question. So the amount will be 40,000 rupees, and you should let the preference shares dividend percentage also. Preference shares is 6% preference share and the amount is 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh into 6% and you will get 6,000 rupees, and you should divide into A limited and B limited. A limited will be 1 lakh 500 rupees and B limited is 33,500. While calculating cost of control, the amount paid is calculated as usual, and here it is the difference of premium. 20% is the premium which is paid by the holding company for acquiring the shares of subsidiary. So 3 lakh is acquired by 4 lakh into 3 by 4 as usual, and 60,000 is calculated through 3 lakh into 20% extra 20% of premium, then you will get 3 lakh 60,000 rupees, and we are deducting the face value and capital profit as usual, and you will get 15,000 as capital reserve, and in the question there is goodwill of 20,000 rupees, so we can adjust it here. Then we are adding 20,000 to capital reserve and you are getting 5,000 as goodwill. Outsider share is 1 lakh rupees, which means 4 lakhs into 1 by 4, and you should add the revenue profit portion and capital profit portion of subsidiary, and in this question you have preference shares, so you should add the amount of preference shares 1 lakh to minority interest, because in the balance sheet it is not taken over by the holding company, so it belongs to minority. And also add the percentage of dividend for preference shares, which simply means dividend of preference shares rupees 6,000, and sum total the amount is 2,64,500. First item which you should take for calculating surplus account is profit and loss. It is 1,30,000 which is given in the balance sheet, and you should add the revenue profit of holding company 1,500,000 rupees, and you should deduct unrealized profit. For calculating unrealized profit, you should first identify the amount of stock which is purchased, and it is given in the question, and it is 12,000 rupees. And in the question it is defined as B limited sells goods at 20% above cost. So cost, it is sold at the cost 20%. So 20 divided by 120, and you will get the answer 2,000 rupees, and the sum total is 2,28,500, and proposed dividend is not added to minority and surplus account because it is already included in the revenue profit. You may please look at slide number 3, revenue profit. In case of bills payable, we are adding the bills payable of both holding company and subsidiary company together and deducting the intercompany owing amounted to 5,000 rupees. And in case of creditors also, we are both adding holding companies and subsidiary companies creditors together and deducting 12,000 intercompany owing. And in case of investment, it is 90,000 rupees because 3,60,000 is the acquisition amount. And coming to stock, we are adding both the amounts of stock mentioned in holding company and subsidiary company, and also deducting 2,000 rupees which is unrealized profit which we have mentioned in the surplus account. And then next one is debtors. In case of debtors, we are taking the debtors of holding company together with subsidiary company and deducting the intercompany owings of rupees 12,000 rupees and 10,000 is the amount of cash remitted. If you have any doubt, please go through that question. There is an adjustment regarding this statement. So, in case of debtors, we are deducting both intercompany owings and cash remitted. And coming to the bills receivable, same as bills payable, holding companies bills receivable plus subsidiary companies bills receivable, minus 5,000 rupees, which is intercompany bills. And the last one is cash. We are adding A limited and B limited cash together, and we are also adding the cash in transit, which will be coming to our company rupees 10,000 rupees, and the sum total is 75,000 rupees. And I think that you are clear with the question. If you have any doubt, please contact me, and I should see this question's answer on your notebook as soon as possible. Thank you.